So we're going on a jog. I'm gonna challenge myself. Peters Canyon, right, you guys?
Peters Canyon.
It's about 4 or 5 mile hike. We're in the city of Orange County, Peters Canyon, and I'm gonna record the whole thing, man. This is my first time here. My goal is to jog the whole way, all the way up to the top. Got Christian joining today, and Brother Juan.
He's up above. Juan was talking about not even jogging this shit, and he's up above.
Apparently a lot of people know about this trail. This is my first time here. So we're gonna give it a try, man, see how it is. What I'm gonna do is just pace myself, right? The trail, I don't know if you guys can see the top of that mountain to the right. I believe that's the finish line. That's the goal line. So I think key thing is with jogging, hiking, whatever it is, a tough assignment with fitness or whatever it is in life. I think definitely pacing, and it's mindset too. You gotta be definitely careful and patient and experiment and learn about yourself, but don't overdo yourself. Be smart. Safety first too. What do you think, Christian? Christian's working today. I told him if he does his whole jog with me,
Buy me a hamburger.
I'm gonna buy him either he could get a hamburger, which I don't recommend, but he wants a smoothie. I'll give him a smoothie. Yeah, that sounds good. A little protein shake.
Yeah. Juan's doing it today. Leading the pack.
Yes, sir. Juan here has already jogged this trail, this hike. So, beautiful day today. It's about what? How many degrees, you guys?
Maybe like 75.
80, maybe?
Something like that.
80, something like that. But we in the sun, so 90s? Oh, 79 degrees, not too bad. Not too bad.
It's a good one. It's a nice day. Downhill. Downhill.
Juan, do you know if there's any like snakes, coyotes, anything like that out here?
Look at him, mountain lion.
There's gonna be coyotes or not. Especially during nighttime, but I've seen them outside in the city. Well, not in here. I'm sure they must be here too.
But they're not gonna come out at night.
It's my first time ever running with the freaking camera. I'll
tell you.
Juan, what do you think is the key thing of jogging this whole thing? You got any advice?
Patience. stay focused.
Yes, sir.
Don't think you can't. Once you got yourself, game over.
Would you agree though too? Also, pacing is important. Pacing yourself,
Yeah.
not going not too fast or not too slow.
Well, when you're running, you gotta relax. When you're getting too much,
Right.
then you gotta
Definitely.
because if you're just running but not running effectively, you're gonna get tired. You want to make sure you make good long strokes.
Right.
You see the same energy as you're going slow, but it's longer.
Okay, first big hill. Let's go. I love this shit. Thank you guys, man. Thank you. I needed this. Yeah.
Starting in the gym.
Yes. I'll show you guys a view. First hill. So for me, take my time, get the feel for the hill. No rush. See my feet. One step at a time. One step at a time. Feeling the calves. How you guys doing? How was it? Was it good? Nice. You guys take care. God bless, man. You good, Christian? I'm here with you, bro. Gotta keep your feet moving. You good? Now we're going downhill. You guys see, I'm gonna give you guys a clear little view of what we got. I would say even going downhill, take your time. In my opinion. Good shit, Christian. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, we got another hill. Got another hill. I like these hills. I think I found a new spot to train. Yes, sir. Let's get up this hill. I'm here with you, Christian. Take your time. Focus. Push. We got some sand. So our feet are gonna have to dig a little deeper. That's okay though. We got this. Come on, Christian. Almost there, brother. There you go. Let's go. There you go. You got it, Christian. Come on, bro. Take your time. You want to record me while I'm running? Can you?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Wait, give me a sec.
I'm moving my feet still, you guys. Like I'm running in place with the burpees. Check out the view. We just get higher and higher.
forward. Relax.
You got me?
think so. Oh, fuck. Music.
What's up, bro?
Good day.
Hey, too.
Was it alright? The hike, was it alright?
Oh, it's just getting started, man.
Okay, hey, have a good one.
Oh, fuck. I can't imagine falling down this fucking hill. Technical difficulties. But we're gonna keep it pushing though. Hope I'm going the right way. So we got all that to go still. So far, I like it. I like it. It's different, something new. The sand, the terrain's good. The scenery's beautiful. I know it's the heat, but so far so good. I like it. I fuck with it. So got one right over there. I don't want to leave Christian behind, but I might have to push the gas a little bit. So he might have to step it up too a little bit. Come on, Christian. You got it? Good shit. Now I'm warmed up, I ain't gonna lie. Warmed up. That hill right there is gonna be I think the biggest challenge. Is that the biggest hill on or what? Yeah. So we got it. Good shit, Christian. And honestly, I love stuff like this. I've never done this hill. I'm about to find out what it's made of, and of course with myself. We got this. See, with this, I'm just gonna take one foot step at a time. Here we go. Going up this hill. Just taking my time, pacing myself. Control your breathing. pure legs. Where's Christian? That was good. A little tough, but I liked it. We're gonna keep going now. I think wait for Christian, keep going.
Let's see how it feels.
So I am taking this little break, wait for Christian. We can keep going. I think we got to up there, call it a day. Well, we gotta go back down. We're either gonna jog it, don't know yet. Come on, Christian! Check out the view. Can't leave a soldier behind. Can't. Feel good. At the top. Come on, Christian. This was Christian's idea too. You ready?
Sure.
How you feel about that hill right there? What do you think about that hill, Juan? It's cool, huh?
It was a test.
Yeah?
I thought I was gonna be able to keep up with you, to be honest. But you know.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Come on.
Got another decent hill coming up. You guys, I'm taking my time, pacing myself, control the breathing, all that. Here we go. Made it. Whew. Thank you. It's the top, you guys. You guys take care. Thank you, Juan. Juan, say bye to the people. And we're just waiting on Christian. Come on, Christian, you got it. Come on. Take care. God bless. Hell.
That's the end of the hill right there at that point. I think that.
Last one?
Yeah, and then it just kind of goes down to the corners.
Right now I'm just staying focused with my mind, pacing myself. Come on, Christian. Come on, finish strong. Push. Last hill. Did it. Whatever you're doing in life, focus. Give it everything you got. Never give up. And you go into your final step, your final run. Give it everything. My motto is I go until I drop. We'll crawl to the top. For every goal. Let's get it.